In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Salesflare CRM. By the end, you'll have a clean, working CRM that captures your emails and meetings, guides your follow-ups, and keeps your pipeline organized for daily use. First, create your Salesflare account. Choose a plan. There's a free trial if you're just getting started. Confirm your email and log in to the dashboard. As soon as your inbox and calendar are connected, Salesflare begins gathering context from past and ongoing conversations so you don't have to enter everything manually. Next, install the key add-ons. Add the email plugin for Gmail or Outlook so you can access CRM details right from your inbox. It tracks emails and can create records automatically as you reply. Then install the LinkedIn sidebar to add contacts from LinkedIn without switching tabs. These two tools save a lot of time and ensure your activity is captured where it happens. Now connect your email and calendar in Settings under Email and Calendar. Link your email account and your calendar. This lets Salesflare capture meetings, track emails in the background, and suggest contacts based on your interactions, which keeps your CRM accurate with minimal effort. With the foundation in place, create your basic CRM records. Accounts represent companies, contacts are the people at those companies, and opportunities are your deals. You can add them manually or accept Salesflare's suggestions based on your email activity. Start by creating a few sample records so you can see how they relate and how timelines fill up automatically. Set up your sales pipelines next. A pipeline is a visual set of stages like prospect, contacted, proposal, and won. Go to Settings and open Configure Pipelines. Customize the stages to match your process and set reminders and probabilities if needed. Clear, consistent stages make your forecasts more reliable. To stay on top of work, turn on suggested tasks and adjust preferences in Settings under Task Settings. As you work deals, log notes, and update activity timelines so teammates have context and you always know the next action. If you're collaborating, go to Settings and manage your team to invite colleagues. Add members, assign roles, and set targets. This enables shared visibility into accounts, a unified interaction history, and easy task assignment. If you need to track details beyond the defaults, open Settings and customize fields. Add custom fields for accounts, contacts, or opportunities, so your CRM reflects the data your business cares about. Finally, if you have existing data, go to Settings and import data. Upload your spreadsheets for accounts, contacts, and opportunities, map the columns, and review a small sample before completing the import to avoid duplicates. That's it. Your Salesflare is ready for daily use.